In this video, I will be showing you how to make printable affirmation cards in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start by heading to the search bar and searching for a business card template. I'm going to select a blank business card to give myself a clean slate. Once the editor opens, I'll go to the Elements tab and search for a minimalist border to frame my cards. I'll find a design I like, click it to add it to the canvas, and then I'll resize and duplicate it to fit the corners of the page perfectly. I'll flip the elements to make sure the border looks symmetrical. Now I'll add a text box and type in some placeholder text so I can format the style and size. To make several cards at once, I'll use the Bulk Create tool. I'll enter my data manually, clear the existing table, and then paste in my list of affirmations. Once I have my text ready, I'll click Done. Now, I just need to connect the data to my text box by right-clicking it and selecting the data field I created. I'll align the text to the center, make any final adjustments to the layout, and then hit Continue. Finally, I'll click to generate the designs, and Canva will automatically create a full set of beautiful, ready-to-print affirmation cards for me.